Hello friends, very good evening. Myself Bala here. I welcome you all to my YouTube channel, Talent Traders. Those who are new to my YouTube channel, kindly subscribe the channel to get more update on intraday and positional trading strategies. And this video, we are going to create another scanner as a request from our subscriber. I hope that scan will work better because he was asking about the scanner after 4 or 5 days consecutive down, and then fifth day should be the positive candle. So if such a candle which present, so may have the chances. Let's see, this is what our conditions he asking, and his name is from the comment 𝐿𝐿. Please make a scanner while where the stock creating bullish for a consecutive bullish candle after falling a 4-5 consecutive. Maybe this will work better because we are going to find out the stock which forms a bullish candle after almost 4 or 5 days down. Means so we are trying to buy the stock at lowest level. Maybe it will work for. So how it will work, let's see in this chart, whatever the chart it was. Let me try it out. Can you see there is a 4 consecutive down? There is a 4 consecutive down, and there is a bullish candle. There is a positive candle. So here you see there is a 4 consecutive down in the row, and there is a bullish candle, but next day it broken and it moves smaller and triggers you stop loss. Same like that here, 3 consecutive down, but fourth one should be a bullish. Once the bullish candle is broken, the market is still keep on going up. So this may work good. So as you request, I'm going to create the scan, but even I'm going to create better about the scan. So this was a 3 consecutive down with lower low with lower high. If you forms any pattern which is lower highs, it is telling us clear downtrend. So here it may not be clear downtrend because it is higher than previous high. So what kind of trade I'm expecting? Let's say any stocks. Can we find such a kind of stock? Almost 3-4 consecutive down, and then next one is a bullish. So if you find, so there is another one. So 4 days consecutive down, and next one is bullish, but it is not able to sustain, and it was triggers your stop loss and then fallen down. So here I'm going to filter out the stock is keep on going down for a 3 days, and if any bullish candle which is present at the current day in the lowest level would be the best. Let's see in my stock group, is there any stock which forms what was that? Navin fluoride. Okay, it is last 2 days it is performing. This also was the scenario, not working good. 𝐸𝑥, yes, can you see 𝐸𝑥 where can find 1 2 3 2 4 5 consecutive down candle, and the fifth one should be the bullish, and also it is not about bullish, it was a hammer candle where it is happening at the lowest level. The previous low is there, and comparatively it was forming at a monthly low. So there is a breakout. Yeah, such a kind of scanner he asked, I think. And this is what another trade opportunity where we find out there is a bottom, and there is a hammer which found at bottom level. There is a 155.40 is the reversal for a bullish with a stop loss of 150.7. So it looks good. So such a way that we can create a scan, and this was not we are focusing for a 3-4 consecutive down, here 3 consecutive days down, and the next one is a bullish. So we may see there is a movement on that. So let me find out how the stock is keep on going down with the charting scanner. It's a simple one. Let me try to find out the scanner, or we will create the scanner. So our condition is the stock is going down and down for a last 3 days. Means its open is the close price is less than the open, right? So let me create. the close price must be less than the open price. So this will be a red candle. Okay, so we are talking about 3 days. So 3 days ago candle must be red, and the 2 days ago candle also must be red, and 3 days ago candle also, sorry, 1 day ago candle also be red. So if you are using this, it will find out 3 red bars which is forms in a particular stock. So if you run the scan, what happened? 1 day ago close, 2 day ago close is less than the open. Lara's Lab today 6% up, but 3 days down. How it has become possible? Yes. Do you see that? Lara's Lab 3 consecutive down, and today it was a very big bullish candle. It was engulfing all the 3. But what was the condition here? We mentioned as 3 consecutive down candle. Let's check what are the Exide, Arrow Pharma. Let's say Exide and Arrow Pharma. Exide Industries. Yes. Here, this is not a 3 consecutive down, but the 2 days it is down, and the third day doesn't have big, and it was forming a doji, and it broken the doji and it was going up. But the second day high is must be lesser than the current this day. That was a 26 high should be less than this, would be considered as a clear downtrend. Here it moves above the previous day high, it never. So we have to avoid such as stocks. Manappuram, ICICI, let's say Lombard, Manappuram, yeah, Manappuram Finance. Yes, 3 consecutive down, and there is a big bullish today. Okay, good. And ICICI, Lombard, ICICI Prudential, General Insurance, perfect. 1. So almost 5 consecutive down. I hope Zafar, right? Yes, Zafar Khan. You are asking about such a pattern. 3-4 consecutive down, and there is a bullish candle today. So there is a possibility of reversal from this point. We can keep this as a stop loss, and another 3 days consecutive down, and 4 days should be not a bullish. Was a doji candle, and it broken. There was some movement. So we can modify this one, and the daily high should be less than the previous day high. So let I go to do it. So we do, yeah. So 1 day ago that high must be less than 2 days ago high, and here 2 days ago high, days ago high less than 3 days ago high. So it's not required. If you use this function, it may find only few stocks. Oh, almost 24 stocks. Let's see. ICICI. So all are the Arrow Pharma. All are Arrow Pharma. Arrow Pharma. Yes, perfect consecutive 3 days down, and there is a bullish. Right. So here we have to find out there is a 3 consecutive days. The stock is keep on going down. If you want to add the 4th day, it must be a down day. You can add a 4 days ago condition. And finally, the latest, we are going to find out today's candle should be bullish. The open or close, instead of open, close should be the right word. Close must be greater than open. So this was a bullish candle that is happening today. So this many stocks which forms, if I'm going to run it, we have almost 22 stock which is forms such a pattern. So you can focus these stocks for your idea. So let me try it out. Lupin or HDFC AMC. Let's say go for HDFC AMC, and let's see 3 consecutive down, and there is a bullish. Here 3 consecutive down, there is a bullish. And what happened this, we got a lot of stocks for this trade. and let me try to find out something good. The latest open, latest open. If any stocks which forms latest open equal to low, if any stocks which forms a open low today after 3 consecutive lower day and today forms a open low, there is no stocks. Okay, everything was going down, and then so let me save the scan first. So let me back test. Is there any stock which forms a open low? We got it. We're in minimum number of stock. Okay, it is giving you no problem. So if you don't use that open low, daily you're getting 10, 20 stocks. It's not a good to track in a market. So if you are using additional conditions like open equal to low, so if you run the scan, today we didn't get any stocks, but we get very minimum number of stocks, 1 or 2 stocks, and this was happening on 18th July. Sun TV. After 3 days down, fourth day should be open low, and it is a bullish candle, and this was 18th. Looks good. 4 consecutive down on the Sun TV, and fifth day it was a bullish candle. So maybe the reversal that's happening at, and it was keep on moving down. So good. So instead of tracking a 20, 30 stocks in intraday, it may not be good. But if you are using any other filters, that will give you, oh my god. Or and a few days back, July 7th is a Sinjin. Let's go to check it out. July 7th. I think that is also works good. Great. May not get Nakuri 47. Info age 47. Maybe this looks good again. Okay, I hope we build a great scanner right now. Thank you, Dabar. Oh, looks good. Thank you, Mr. Zafar Khan. You give me some clue. We created a scan that was working good and well, right? 4 consecutive down, and there is a bullish candle. And let's see the result. Zoom. Okay, it was working good. And here, oh, so many stocks on 21st June. Bata, Hero, Motorcorp. Let's go for a Bata. What happened? This is what a back test we are doing now. Bata, maybe this. Oh, great. After that, breaking the high. Bata, Hero, Motor, Tata Consume. Great. Okay, Tata Consume. Where it is? 6th July. No, 21st June. Yeah. This may be a stop loss. This may be a stop loss. Yes. It is never repaint. So let's check this. There is an entry here, and it got trigger your stop loss. But after the stop loss, it moves well and good, no problem. But this was not repaint because we are filtering out the end of the day candles. It may not repaint. I hope this may be a good scan for a positional trader or a investment kind of trader, because it was a buying at the lowest level after a down. Even some stocks may having a good the good quality stocks may have fallen down 3-4 days. Then if you get this kind of opportunity, there is a investment opportunity, we can use it for that. And I hope this was another surprising scanners to you everyone. Make use of the scanner and try with your idea and logic to the scanners. I have this was the open code, so you can copy it from this name of bullish reversal after 3 days down. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and you can go to create that kind of scanners. So thank you for watching this, and the Chartink scanner is available on public, so you can search with the name, and or I can save this, and yeah, save the scan with the name of, you can easily find out with the name. And thank you for being with me, and thanks for supporting us. Thank you so much. Make use of the scanner. Thank you. And if you are not subscribed my channel, kindly subscribe. And thanks for being with me. Thank you so much.